For the last week, we've been speaking about the major scale, and we are now going to turn our attention to the minor scale. And before we get into just plotting this out like we've been, I need to talk about the difference between the major scale and the minor scale. The major scale, of course, is made up of 7 notes, and we can label these, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we're back at the root there. We're back at 1. In music theory, everything really is measured from the major scale. So if I say that I have a fifth, and I don't say that it's like a flat 5 or a sharp 5, what I mean is that it's a perfect fifth above the root. Or if I say that I have a third, then I have a third above the root. And that's really kind of referring back to the major scale. The minor scale is different in that it has a flat third, a flat 6, and a flat 7. Now, and when I say this, what I mean is that these 3 notes right here, these are going to be moved down by 1/2 step. That does not mean that this has to be a flat note, like an E flat or an A flat or a B flat. Now, in this case, these are all going to be flat notes, but that's not always the case. So flatting the third doesn't mean that you're making it a flat note. It just means you're moving it down a 1/2 step. That's 1 fret on the guitar. So let's go ahead and do that now and see what we come up with here. So we move the E down to E flat. The 6th note is the A, so we move that down to A flat. And then the 7th note is a B, and we move that down to B flat. And that indeed is the C minor scale. So let's take a look at this. We've got whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole, whole. And that is our minor scale formula. Whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole, whole. So that formula right there, you need to memorize that.